Is Forex trading halal or haram in Islam? As far as Forex trading is concerned, as far as buying foreign currency and selling it, if you do not break any rules of the Shariah, if you follow all the rules of the Shariah and you're within the rules of Shariah as far as trading is concerned, it is permissible. For example, if a person goes and buys a foreign currency, if you exchange your dollar and buy sterling pounds, and later on, after a few weeks or a few months, the sterling pound goes higher, and you sell the sterling pound back and get a bigger amount of dollars than what you purchased for, it is permitted, as long as it is done on the spot with your own money. But when you do Forex trading on a larger scale, with different things involved, there are many haram things involved in it. Directly buying from the exchange, keeping with you, then selling as long as it is your money and no other thing, haram thing is involved, it's permissible. But normally what happens in Forex trading when you do on a higher level, there are many associated haram things involved. For example, you may book for buying and then you may delay. You pay some money and delay the deal. This is haram. And you pay some money, that's called as riba. You may trade in margin. So you pay only 10% and the balance somebody else pays and then you share the profit with it. Our beloved Prophet said that if you give loan to someone, you cannot involve profit in it. Or if you take loan from someone, you cannot give him profit. So this becomes haram, this becomes riba. So many things associated with Forex trading, especially when you do on a large scale. There may be futures, which is haram. There may be options, which is haram. So as long as no haram things are involved, it is permitted. But many a times, most of the time, when it's done on large scale, there is borrowing with riba, there is futures, there is options. So these involve haram elements which make it haram. For example, insurance per se is not haram. But the conventional insurance is haram because it involves interest, it involves gambling, it involves things which are not sure. So if it doesn't involve gambling, doesn't involve riba, doesn't involve unsurety, if it's takaful, it's permissible. The insurance per se is not haram. Similarly, trading, buying and selling foreign currency per se is not haram. But because associated things are there, even in online, one important factor is there that if you buy, see it is an on-the-spot transaction. So if you buy on the spot and exchange with the hand, it's permissible. If you are doing online, see to it you get the currency with you on the spot. If there is a delay and if it's later on, futures involved, then it becomes haram. If you take a loan and do margin trading, it becomes haram. If there are futures, if there are options, it becomes haram. But generally, trading in foreign currency and making a profit on the spot, if it's your own money without involving haram activities, it's permissible. Stay away from the haram activities, it's fine. Hope that answers the question.
Same old question. Yahi, every time I come to Kenya, people ask me about Forex. You guys don't have a job? Don't you have a life? Oh, Forex. Why? Wallah, because we enter and we buy. And then we sell. And then we buy. And what did you buy? Well, I don't know. What did you sell? Well, what I had, stocks. What companies? I don't know. All what Forex is doing is something digital. Stock market in Kenya, you go to the bank, you buy stocks in XYZ company. Does XYZ exist? Yes. You can go to their premises, you can see their factories, you can see their machines, and you can see their trucks. They exist. So when I buy their stocks, I am a partner. This is real. But in Forex, it's all digital. You buy, day trading, early morning, in the afternoon, you sell. And a lot of those who deal in Forex don't deal with their own money. I have $10,000, it's mine. I buy stocks in this company. And the stocks fall, I will not sell. I will keep it for 2 months until it goes up and I sell it. Halal. As long as the stocks are halal. The problem is that when you come to Forex, they say, how much you have? $10,000. Good, we'll give you $90,000 extra. I have $100,000. Yes, we trust you. You trade in $100,000. Wow, I have lots of money. If I make this profit, I will make, oh, Bismillah, start buying here, buying here, buying here. The $100,000 that you bought stocks with, the stocks fell down. 95, 94, 93. All of a sudden, someone overrides you and sells the whole stocks. Hey, why did you sell? Because you were losing. Yeah, but 93, I still have $3,000. I said, no, the $3,000 is our profit. We saved our 90,000 and took your 3,000. So now you lost the 10,000. Some of them buy on margin. Some of them buy with so many riba and ambiguity and forwarding and the likes. All of this is haram. Only halal is when you have your money, you buy stocks in halal companies with your money, and no one forces you to sell whatever you want to sell. Inshallah, after 2 years, it's yours, it's there. This is halal. But you cannot deal with gold, silver, or currency on online business at all. This is riba. Gold, silver, and currency, it has to be physical, simultaneous. Take and give. And Allah knows best.
یہ کہتے ہیں فوریکس ٹریڈنگ کے بارے میں بتا دیں. دیکھیں انٹرنیٹ پہ جو اس طرح کی ٹریڈنگز ہوتی ہیں اس میں ضروری ہوتا ہے کہ ایک تو مال آپ نے فزیکلی طور پہ موجود ہو, ٹھیک ہے. دوسرا, جب آپ خرید لیتے ہیں تو آپ کا قبضہ اس کے اوپر ہو. پھر تیسرا, آپ اس کو بیچ سکتے ہیں. بعض اوقات آپ صرف پیسہ بھیج دیتے ہیں, نہ فزیکلی طور پہ کوئی مال ہے نہ کچھ. آپ نے سونے میں انویسٹ کیا ہے, سونا موجود ہی نہیں ہے, بس وہ یہ کہیں گے کہ 1 مہینے کے بعد اگر سونے کے ریٹ بڑھ گئے آپ کو اتنا % ہم نفع بھیج دیں گے. اب نہ سونا ہے نہ اس پہ قبضہ کیا, خالی مارکیٹ کے ریٹ کی وجہ سے تھوڑا سا سونا بڑھا اور آپ کو پیسے بھیج دیے. یہ شرعاً بالکل جائز نہیں. ایسی کرنسی کا کاروبار اگر آپ کرتے ہیں, کرنسی ہے ہی نہیں وہاں پر, لیکن آپ پیسہ جمع کرا دیں. جیسے سمجھ لیں آپ نے $1,00,000 کا پیسہ جمع کرایا تو آپ $1,00,000 کے مالک ہو گئے, لیکن ڈالر ہے ہی نہیں. جیسے ڈالر کا ریٹ بڑھے گا آپ نے کہا بھائی ٹھیک ہے اس کا سودا کریں, سودا کیا, انہوں نے پروفٹ بھیج دیا. فزیکلی طور پہ نہ لینا نہ دینا, خالی آپ کا پیسہ جمع ہے, مارکیٹ ریٹ کے اوپر آپ کو تھوڑا سا پروفٹ دیا جا رہا ہے. یہ شرعاً بالکل غلط ہے. یہ ہو سکتا ہے کہ وہاں مثلا آپ امریکہ میں کام کرتے ہیں پاکستان میں, اور انٹرنیٹ پر امریکہ سے کوئی آپ سونا خریدتے ہیں تو فزیکلی طور پہ موجود ہونا چاہیے. یہاں سے آپ نے پیسہ بھیج دیا اور وہاں پہ کوئی قبضہ کرے, آپ کا آدمی جا کے قبضہ کر لے, یہ ضروری ہے. یا چلیں فزیکلی طور پہ ہونا چاہیے, کمپنی جو ہے وہ آپ کو بیچے اور آپ خریدنے کے بعد اس کمپنی کو اپنا وکیل بنا دیں کہ اب میں آپ کو وکیل بناتا ہوں کہ اس سونے کو آپ بیچ کر اس میں جو پروفٹ آئے وہ میرے پاس بھیج دیجیے گا. اس کی گنجائش نکلتی ہے, لیکن اس صورت میں جب فزیکلی طور پہ باقاعدہ حصی طور پر وجودی اعتبار سے وہاں پر مال موجود ہو. اور ہماری نالج کے مطابق اکثر جو اس طرح کے کاروبار ہوتے ہیں اس میں چیز موجود ہی نہیں ہوتی, ڈسپلے کے لیے کچھ پکچرز والے لگا دیتے ہیں دیگر چیزیں, اور وہ بیچنے کا مال نہیں ہوتا, نہ آپ اسے خریدتے ہیں اور یہ سودے چل رہے ہیں اور گھر بیٹھے پروفٹ لے رہے ہیں. یہ شرعاً جائز نہیں ہے.